In this video, I'll show you how to add a dynamic shake effect to your clip in DaVinci Resolve. It's quick, easy, and works great for adding energy to your edits. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline and switch over to the Fusion page by clicking the Fusion button at the bottom of the workspace. Next, with your Media In node selected, press Shift and Space on your keyboard to open the Select Tool window. In the search box, type Camera Shake. Then double-click on the Camera Shake tool without the brackets to add it to your node tree. Now, you'll see the Camera Shake node connected. To make the shake noticeable, increase the value of PTR speed to 2.0. This controls how fast the shake happens. Then, adjust the rotational amplitude to 0.5, which adds a subtle rotational movement to make the shake feel more organic. Play back your clip to see the effect in action. If you'd like a more intense shake, try raising the PTR speed or the amplitude settings further. For a softer effect, simply lower them. And that's it! You've added a professional-looking shake effect to your video in DaVinci Resolve.